In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for stocks on eToro. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main platform interface. This is where you can browse markets, manage your portfolio, and look up specific assets. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The search process is very straightforward and only takes a moment. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This is the main tool you'll use to find stocks quickly. On most layouts, it's clearly visible near the top navigation area, making it easy to access from almost anywhere within the platform. Click into the search bar and then enter either a stock name or a ticker symbol. For example, you can type something like AAPL, AMZN, MSFT, or TSLA. You can also search by the full company name if that feels more natural. Using the ticker symbol is often faster, especially if you already know exactly which stock you want to find. After typing your search, review the search results that appear. eToro will usually show a list of matching assets, so take a quick look to make sure you're selecting the correct one. This is especially helpful if more than one result looks similar, or if a company name overlaps with other assets on the platform. Once you find the stock you want, click on it to continue. That will take you directly to the stock's page, where you can access its overview and market information. This page gives you a clearer picture of the stock before you decide whether to track it or trade it. From there, explore the available tabs. You'll typically see sections like Overview, Chart, Analysis, News, and Financials. The Overview tab gives you a general summary, while the chart helps you look at price movement over time. Analysis can offer broader insights, news helps you stay updated on recent developments, and financials gives you more detailed company data. Taking a few moments to check these tabs can help you understand the stock more thoroughly. If you want to save the stock for later, you can add it to your watch list by clicking the watch list icon. This is optional, but it's a useful feature if you're comparing several stocks or planning to come back later. If you're ready to take action, click Trade to begin the process of buying or selling the stock. This step is optional as well, and many users prefer to review the stock details first before making any decisions. Thanks for watching.